be honest, I have no idea where we are going today. My mom kept the destination a secret, so we are just chasing the road and seeing where it takes us.
Good morning everyone, welcome to the first official day here in Sri Lanka. This is the first morning and we woke up here in Colombo. I slept so amazing. I currently rested here in the Palms and Paradise. It was absolutely amazing. And oh my days, this weather, it's amazing. It's crazy hot, I love it. It's so nice. I'm in Sri Lanka. I can't believe it that I'm in Sri Lanka right now. Like, I am in Sri Lanka right now. Like, what do you mean? That's crazy. The plans for today are to eat breakfast here, then go to the rental, to the car, and then we will go to Gistrea, Dambulla, and then we'll probably overnight there somewhere. This morning, by the way, I've heard the chopan, which is actually a bakery on a tuk-tuk. When I visited Sri Lanka, I have encountered them multiple times, and my plan or my goal for this trip is to also encounter them because it's so nice. And because of you guys, I've learned that it's called chopan. I hope that I'm pronouncing it right. If not, you can always correct me. Basically, chopan is a bakery on a tuk-tuk, and they have almost everything that you want from bakery stuff. They have bread, they have little sugary buns, they have vegetable buns, they have everything. And you can recognize them by the sound. They have all a typical sound, and if you hear that sound, then you know that there is a chopan or a bakery tuk-tuk on the way, and then you can just stop and take some bread. Like, how nice is that? I can't wait what Sri Lanka has to offer me, because I'm so excited. So this is the first Sri Lankan breakfast for this journey, and we got here a fresh onion curry. Next to it we got the milk rice or milky rice. Here we have some fresh roti. We also got some bread, some butter, and a mixed fruit jam. And probably the best fruit that you can find here is papaya, bananas and mango. She's right now cutting also some watermelon, and I'm super excited because I think it will be amazing. Here in front of us we see hoppers. This is very Sri Lankan. This is a typical Sri Lankan dish. It's like a crispy batter with an egg inside. It can also be without an egg. Right now I'm gonna try the egg hopper. Go. I really miss this. We are right now standing at a very local shop, and right across the street is our stay that we are staying right now. That's Palms and Paradise. So it's super easy to just come here. You can just buy whatever you'd like, so you can actually stay here. Hi! You can stay here for multiple days and you can buy things here, so yeah, let's explore it. As you can see, a lot of cookies, a lot of choices. You also have here on the other side, you have some salty snacks, also super nice. And something you don't have in our country or in the most Western countries is you don't have to take off your shoes. Right now we don't have any shoes because outside there's a lot of sand and a lot of dirt from outside, so that's why we take off our shoes and we can just walk inside without our shoes. So that's something you would not really see immediately in our store. It's okay, you don't have to.
Thank you.
Bye. take your shoes off. We are currently at the Kargils here in Sri Lanka, and this is a tip for everyone who's traveling to Sri Lanka or currently is in Sri Lanka. If you want to go to the toilet or to the restroom, here is a lavatory that is always available in a Kargil, so always nice to know. Right now we're going to shop for some snacks and some drinks, and we want to buy some water and some Coke and something salty. We will take this one, the hot and spicy chips. Here I have a bag of cookies. Might not look so special to you, but what you maybe don't know about Sri Lanka is that the cashew nut is officially from here. So if you're ever eating cashew nuts, it's officially from Sri Lanka. And these cookies have cashew inside, so that could be very, very good. Take it? Take it. And we have arrived at the Arangala Forest Lodge. It's insane. We arrived here, the reception is completely open, it's full in nature. You have mountains that way, you have here a pool, apparently you also have a natural pool upstairs, and we have 2 rooms here with a balcony, but I'll do a room tour later.
Can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said?
Unbelievable. That's really the only thing I can say right now. We are right now at a very pretty cabana, and we are staying right now in Sigiriya. So 3 hours before we were still in Colombo, Negombo, and now we are in Sigiriya, Dambulla. For the people who follow me and followed my full journey from last year, they will know that I already visited Sigiriya, but on another place. Right now I am in a cabana also nearby Sigiriya and Dambulla. But this place is outstanding, it's crazy, and I'm going to show you the full tour. Right now it's dark, so I'm really going to try to show some things, but I think it's going to be better when it's light, when it's daylight. So I'm just going to show a little tour from my room and my cabana, because I have this full cabana for myself. And then I will show you tomorrow the view and how it looks like in daylight, because it's always like that. In daylight it's always better than at night, but that doesn't matter. We arrived here and I'm going to show you, and it's insane and incredible. Anyways, I've talked enough. Right now I'm going to show you the full tour at night or by night, and this is crazy, so hold on. It's gonna be crazy. First of all, you enter and you have here the door, and you have here a card place thing to place your card, because you have to put your card in order to get electricity, in order to get light. Right now here is a staircase, and this is the first thing we see. We have here a beautiful sink located next to your right side. Here you have a phone to call probably the reception. You have here a bottle of wine, I think. Here you have some bottles of water. Here you have a water cooker and all the stuff you need to make some breakfast tea. You also got here a mini fridge with all the prices next to it. So actually for just a normal Sprite it is 467 rupees. Don't mind the stuff. You have here a small place to sit. Here as well you have some place to do your work or whatever you'd like to do. Beautiful paintings, it's like in Sinhala style. I absolutely love it. Here you can play some things. And as you can see, this is all glass, so I'm really curious how it will look like in daylight, because right behind us, actually everywhere, is a forest, a jungle. Here you also have a terrace, so I'm gonna show that tomorrow. So tomorrow I will show you the view and everything, because right now it's quite dark, so you can't really see it well. Here you have a fan, which is also very nice. You have here a TV and you have here a bin, and this is where we came up, so we have to go down. This is the ground floor. This was floor 1, and now we're going down. Yeah, I'm confused with all the lights, but okay, here you arrive at the beautiful bedroom that you have. Here you have a beautiful big bed. It's so great. This is all for me, just imagine that. There you have an air conditioning, also super nice. It's nearby your bed, so you can sleep well. Here you have all curtains, so I suppose that if you open this that you have all glass and that you can just look out. Or even here you have a balcony with some keys to close. It's probably the jungle, but I don't know. I'm not gonna make any assumptions yet, but I think it's gonna be insanely great. For closets, here you have a table with a laundry bag if you wanted to, and here you have the list of the laundry. So if you'd like to see it, definitely take a look. Here you have a mirror, and that's me. Here you have this thing for the mosquitoes, and here is the bathroom. And if we open this is super special. You have here a shower, and you have here again a sink and a mirror, and you have here some toiletries. You have here a towel. You have a hair dryer, which is super nice. You have here a toilet and the spray thing to wash your feet, or you know, here the shower. But this is crazy. This is actually open air, so I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it, it's way too dark, but I'll show you tomorrow. Or maybe there's light. Look at that. Look at that. So that's why they suggested to always close your doors, always close your windows, because there are a lot of animals, of course, because we're close to a jungle. So that's why we have to keep in mind that if you put anything open of like doors, of windows, then there will be animals inside. Which is not that crazy, of course, because we're next to a jungle, but good to know because sometimes people forget. Okay, for now I'm just gonna end the tour because you actually have seen everything, but tomorrow I will try to make better shots, and when it's daylight it's always better. But right now I'm going to prepare myself to go swim, because there are two pools. There is just an infinity pool, and there is a natural pool, and I want to do both, but it's not possible because the natural pool is only open till 5 p.m. so we currently can't do that because it's, I think, already 8 o'clock, so we can't do that. But the infinity pool is still open, so I'm gonna put on my swimming clothes and go to the infinity pool. contrast is really real and really big. Last place that we slept, so yesterday evening, we've slept in Palms and Paradise, and that was absolutely amazing. That was in Colombo and it was nearby the sea. And when you woke up, the first thing you actually heard was actually the sea. Here, on the other hand, we arrive here and the first thing you hear is like animals, like really like birds, I assume, and geckos and frogs. Right now I just hear a lot of birds, I think they are. I don't know, I'm very bad at guessing, but I think, or I really assume those are birds. But it's so nice, like the contrast is really big from like sea to right now jungle. That's insane. And that's what Sri Lanka is all about. Sri Lanka has so much to offer, and I think Sri Lanka is just so misunderstood, and it should be way more popular, because I don't get it why people don't come here. Okay, it's a long travel, especially if you're from Europe, from Belgium, you have to go like that, but that doesn't matter. I mean, I really love it. I would do it again, really, over and over again. I would come back here to Sri Lanka because it's so amazing. You get like beautiful beaches here, you have a jungle, you have here so many things, people, amazing. I would just come back for the people, they are so nice. Food, I don't even want to start off with, because I will talk more than 7 hours about it. It's so amazing. You have everything this on one island, like this, crazy to realize. Got this full massive bed for myself. Again, crazy. I can't believe this. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much again for watching. I love you all. And as I said, if you have any questions, if you have some reactions or whatever it is, you can always leave it down below and I will reply immediately to you. I will reply to you. I can't believe that I'm here, and I am officially ending our first full day here in Sri Lanka, basically the second day in Sri Lanka and the third day of our full journey here on my channel. I'm going to sleep and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Gonna be an amazing day again, and we're going to do again some crazy stuff, so I hope to see you soon again. Bye, guys. It worked in the first time. This is crazy. Normally I always have problems with the light, and right now I did it in one time.
And just like that, our first real day on the road comes to an end. From the morning sounds of the Chunpan to the peaceful jungle of Mahawathatha, Sri Lanka is already stealing a piece of my heart. But the real adventure is only just beginning. Next week, in episode 4, things are about to get intense as we dive deeper into the wild. Trust me, you are not ready for what happens next. Season 2, episode 4 drops next week. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. But for now, the lights are going out and we are spending the night completely surrounded by the deep, dark jungle. See you next week, if we survive the night.